Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to do a tech feature featuring the Realme C75 smartphone from Realme Philippines. Yes! Kita nyo? Nasa ice siya. Tumutulo pa, tumutulo. Nasa ice ang aking Realme C75 at mag-unboxing tayo. This is a real ice. Ayan, no? Nasa yellow siya. Frozen. Frozen for around 14 hours. At one of the key features ng Realme C75 is meron siyang IP rating. Tatlo yung kanyang IP rating, IP66, 68 at 69, which is waterproof, dustproof. May anti-freezing feature siya at also hot or heat resistance siya. So we're going to test it both. But for now, unbox na natin tong Realme C75 na nasa yellow. Okay? Check natin. Actually, hindi ko to enough naka-turn on pa rin to. Malamang naka-sleep mode o maybe baka naka-shutdown. I'm not sure. We're going to check it out kung kumusta yung Realme C75 smartphone sa yellow after freezing it for 14 hours. Okay, let's do this. Unbox na natin to. Alright, let's do this. Lamig, grabe. Ang lamig sa kamay. Okay, let's do this. Natutunaw na siya. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so here's the Realme C75 smartphone. Naka-ice siya. Ilawan natin yan para makita nyo. No? This is the Realme C75. Check it out, yo. So the phone is running inside. So what we're going to do is break natin yung ice para magamit na natin yung phone. Oh, grabe, kapal ng ice. Oh. So paano ba ito? We need to break it. Grabe, ang kapal ng ice pala. So I guess I need to i-rinse natin ng tubig. No? Yan, natanggal na siya. And the phone is now defrosting. And it's already defrost. Check natin kung gumagana. At the phone is frozen. Hindi ko pa siya ma-turn on. Okay. Hindi ko pa siya ma-turn on kasi yung power button niya is naka-ano. So kailangan natin to paliguan pa natin to. Yun. Kita nyo? Oh my God. It's alive. Oh my God. The phone is alive. Submerged in water for 14 hours. Kasi 3 AM mga 5:30 na. At the phone is alive. First time ko itong na-try na submerged pa siya. Tapos, it's working. Pwede tayo mag-online. Ayan, no? The Wi-Fi is on. Pero ang maganda daw dito ay gamitin natin yung kanyang water eject. Let's go to the settings. Gumagana pa yung screen. Let's go to Realme Lab. So, kung ba nakita yung Realme Lab? Ito, Realme Lab. Realme Lab at eject water from speaker. Eject. Isa pa? Isa pa? Para dalawa. Dalawahin natin para sure. My God! Ang galing! At talagang waterproof siya. At may ano pa, may ano pa siyang ice doon sa screen kung nahugasan natin. Medyo, ayan, may ice pa eh. May ice eh. Ayan. I'm washing the phone. At the phone is okay. The phone is alive and working. It means that this phone, Realme C75 from Realme Philippines, talagang waterproof talaga siya. Grabe. Gumagana pa ba yung camera nito? Click natin. Ayan, camera. Selfie tayo. Medyo ano, meron pang ano, may moist pa eh. May moist. Gawa kasi ng screen niya, may moist pa. But, the phone is working. Medyo ano, medyo may yellow pa sa loob eh. So, alright. Effective ang ating experiment at patunay na Realme C75 is waterproof, worry-proof with IP66, 68 at IP69 na talagang ang ganda ng feature nito. Galing, grabe. Actually, medyo kabado ako no, in doing this test. No? Pero it's my first time to try it na nakasubmerge siya in 14 hours at na-freeze pa. At I'm very surprised that the phone is working properly. Galing, grabe. This is the Realme C75 from Realme Philippines. Abangan nyo. I-reveal na nila yung SRP mamaya. No? So, abangan nyo. Let's do more tests. Alright, let's do this.